Hello, welcome to the lecture of Marketing Management. In the previous classes, we have done what is personal selling, different types of sales role, and we have completed what is public relations and the publicity part. Now, in this lecture, we are going to start the process of personal selling, merits and demerits of personal selling, meaning of direct marketing, and further on. Let's begin with the topic now. Yes, first is the process of personal selling. Now, you have to learn all the process in the according only, as the questions are asked directly in the exam that which is the correct form of sequence. So it is very important for to learn the sequence. So first of the process of personal selling is prospecting. This is identifying potential customers. Identifying potential customers. So, prospecting is finding and qualifying potential customers who may need or want the product or service. Then, the next step is pre-approach. This is the research and planning stage. Pre-approach is gathering information about the prospect to tailor the sales approach and plan the sales call. Then the next step is approach. This is the initial contact with the customers. First time contact with the customer. According to approach, it is making the first contact with the prospect either in person, over the phone, or through another communication method, and creating a positive or favorable first impression on by looking at the product. Then next we have is presentation. This is demonstration. Demonstration of the product. So, presenting the product or service to the prospect, highlighting its features, benefits, value, and how it will meet the customer's need. All this is presented before the customer. The next step is handling objections. This is addressing the concerns. Addressing concerns. Listening to the prospect's concern or objections and addressing them with appropriate information and reassurance then that the product is good, it will be helpful for your need. Then the next step is closing. This is securing the sale, asking for the order and guiding the prospect toward making a purchasing decision using a closing technique. This is securing the sale. Now, closing technique could be of three types. First is direct close. This is simply asking the consumer if they are ready to purchase the product or not. Three types, that is direct close. Then we have assumptive close. This is acting as if the customer has already decided upon to buy the product and proceeding with all the next steps. Then we have urgency close. This is creating a sense of urgency by highlighting limited time offer or availability of the product. Urgency close. Last process of personal selling is follow up. This is post sale support. Post sale support. This ensures customer satisfaction by following up after the sale, addressing any issues if if there arises post purchase of the product, and building a long term relationship with the customers. This whole process helps salesperson